Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Windows 11 into a liquid glass theme. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for Windhawk, and you need to open the first website. After that, you need to click on download and you need to install this program. So after you do that, you need to open the setup and click on OK. Click on install. Now just wait till the installation finishes. Now hit on finish and open Windhawk. So now after the program opens, you need to click on browse for mods and then you need to search for File Explorer. So now you need to actually install this mod I'll see from here. You need to click on details and click on install. Hit on accept risk and install. After you actually install it, you need to click on the settings button I'll see from here and then you need to choose the theme that you like. So we will choose the translucent theme as you see from here. After that, click on save settings, then head back and search for translucent Windows as see from here. You need to actually click on the details button and install it. Click on accept risk and install. After that, click on the settings again and now enable this option, disable this one and enable this one. After that, choose blur from here and erase this value. Type instead 0f000000. After that, from here you need to enable the immersive effect and the extend effects into entire window. You can actually disable this one or you can enable it as you like. Once done, scroll up and click on save settings. Once done, go to the explore section and search for taskbar styler as seen from here. You need to click on the details button and then you need to install this. Click on accept risk and install and then click on the settings button, go to the theme section and choose the translucent taskbar. Click on save settings after that and now you need to click on explore again. Search for the notification center styler as seen from here and then click on details. Now you need to click on install, head to the settings button and then go to the theme section, click on it and then choose the translucent chill. Click on save settings, head back again and search for the start menu styler as seen from here. Click on the details button, then install the styler. Click on install again and then head to the settings button, click on the themes section and choose the translucent start menu. After that, save the changes. After that, you will see that the liquid glass theme is applied everywhere, even in the start menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.